saying, hey, come and play. Animals are here today. Clap your hands and sing with me. Let's learn fun, ABC. A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, clap, clap, clap. C is for cow, moo, moo, moo. D is for dog, woof, woof too. E is for eagle, fly so high. F is for fox, quick and shy. G is for gorilla, swing with me. Learning letters happily. A, B, C, come with me. Sing and dance so happily. Jump up high and tap your feet to the alphabet animal beat. H is for horse, neigh, neigh, neigh. I is for iguana, sway, sway, sway. J is for jaguar, leap around. K is for koala, sleepy sound. L is for lion, roar out loud. M is for mouse, tiny and proud. N is for narwhal, splash the sea, dancing through the ABC. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp where you stand. Spin around, 1, 2, 3. Sing the letters joyfully. O is for octopus, wiggle wide. P is for pig, side to side. Q is for quail, peep, peep, peep. R is for rabbit, hop and leap. S is for sheep, ba, ba, ba. T is for turtle, tat, tat, tat. U is for urchin in the sea. V is for vulture, soaring free. W is for wolf, ahoo tonight. X is for Xeris, jump just right. Y is for yak, stomp the ground. Z is for zebra, dance around. A, B, C, shout hooray! Learning letters every day. From A to Z, you sang along with the animal dancing song. A, B, C. Sing the letters slowly. Animals from A to Z. Now you know your ABC.